Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. Our motive is your success. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction is based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video, you will know about this month, business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into March 2021. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month, Lord Sun will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 14 March, Lord Sun will enter in the Pisces zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In this month, Lord Mars will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mercury will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 11 March, Lord Mercury will enter in Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Jupiter. In this month, Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Venus. This month, Lord Venus will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 17 March, Lord Venus will enter in the Pisces zodiac sign. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Thanks. Capricorn horoscope of March 2021. For the business. The month of March is going to be very important for your business. You will see favorable results in your business. You will be partnered with some new people, which will start benefiting your work. Your planning will be so good where all the partners will be united and try to use some new technology, which will bring success in advancing the business. This will give you double the happiness, and you will carry out your work faster with double vigor. Just keep in mind that there should not be any illegal working, otherwise you may have to bear the losses due to the same. For the job. In regards to your career, this month is going to prove very important for you. It is very important that you work hard so that you can achieve success. The more brain you put at work, the more success you will get. You will also benefit from the means of communication, and this will be the reason that you will be able to perform strongly at your work. You have to keep good relations with your colleagues as well, because they can give you a lot of support, using which you will get success and you will move forward in your work. Marital life and children. Talking about the life of married natives, this month will bring good results for you. Your spouse will say such good things to you that you will not understand whether they are mocking you or saying this to keep your heart. But actually, your relationship will get stronger. With Jupiter's sight also on your 7th house, you will be able to understand each other. They will fulfill their responsibilities and try to mold themselves for their relationship by thinking about the future. Your relationship will also bring joy to your family. Due to Lord Mars's association with Lord Rahu, you may have some concerns related to your child, as your child may face some challenges at that time, and their health may also deteriorate. Lovers. The month of March may not be very special for those who are in romantic relationships. You should expect less from your relationship and try to live your life with simplicity. The possibility of resentment and quarrel may arise between you and your beloved. Do everything possible from your end to avoid such a situation. Because the presence of Lord Mars is associated with Lord Rahu, then you can be the cause of failure in the relationship. There are great possibilities that you may have a breakup, therefore, it is important to be careful. Students or education. In the field of education, this month students will get slightly less good results. You have to work harder than before. During this time your attention will be loose. Health. If you talk about March, then this month your health will be amidst ups and downs. During this time, you may also have problems with joint pain or gastric attack. If this happens, take effective measures after consulting a doctor so that you will be able to keep yourself well. The combination of Rahu and Mars will form Angarat Dosha, since it is forming in your 5th house of your zodiac. You will get entangled in health problems, then you will also have to pay attention to your food and if necessary, seek medical treatment. In this time, it will be harmful to do any carelessness pertaining to your health, because even the smallest problem can give you serious concerns in the near future. To keep yourself free from mental stress, it would be very beneficial for you to do Kapalbhati and Pranayama. Dates where you need to be careful: 7, 8, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 20, 26, and 27. Remedies. Recite Lord Shani Shalisar every Saturday and light a lamp of sesame oil under the peepal tree. Help blind people as much as possible. Feed cow with black sesame in flour and worship Goddess Saraswati for success in education. Chant the mantras of Lord Saturn, Lord Mars and Lord Rahu. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of the planets, mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Wishing you a very happy Holi festival, to you and your entire family. We pray to God that the grace of God remains on you forever. Have a nice month. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, horoscope matching, Vastu and horoscope matching etc. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motive is your success. Thank you. Jaya Shri Krishna.